Welcome to the Jacks Are Better video poker page at POGGstrategies.com. On this page we have a table of contents which shows all the different casino softwares that have the Jacks Are Better game. If you're to click on some of them, such as let's say Dragonfish, Microgaming, Net Entertainment for example, we're going to see all the different payouts associated with each Jacks Are Better game. Some casinos are able to configure their Jacks Are Better to adjust the pay tables however they wish. And in our tools, we try to provide feedback to show which payouts are available. So the important pages on this page are the pay table analyzer, strategy calculator, and the strategy trainer. Now if we go to any one of them, let's go to the pay table analyzer first. And here we are. Now for all of the video poker tools at POGG Strategies, you could just select the game, and if you want to switch games, you can do that within this tool, or you can go to the different page on the website. So if you want to learn, let's say tens or better, it's there. But we're just going to focus on jacks or better. Software, we're just going to go focus on standard, and this is the default. But if you wanted to work with a different software provider, we have those defaults built into the tool. And same thing with extra coins feature. We'll just stick with none, but if you were wanting to learn about Ultimate X video poker, for example, we have those features. And here we've switched from 1 to 5 coins from 1 coin. So it shows the payout as you would see it for the Royal Flush when you're betting 5 coins, which is standard. So here, if we make adjustments to this pay table, it's going to change the house edge. So here we can see that based on this pay table here, the house edge is 0.46% and the return is 99.54%. Now some jacks are better, this is 9.6. Some might have a different pay table, so they'll change this. A flush will pay out 25. So when we calculate it, we're going to see the effect it has on the house edge. So it's increased, and the return to player is actually decreased by around 1%. And likewise, if we change this to 40, we calculate it, we can see that this game is starting to have a worse payout. Now if we go to the strategy calculator, we're just going to clear the stats here. So here you can test out various plays in advance. So if you wanted to know, let's say 3 to a Royal Flush, we want to throw maybe another high card in there. So once we're done, on the right, this is where we get the feedback to show which is the correct play. And in this case, holding 3 to the Royal Flush is the optimal play with the positive expected value. And finally, we have the strategy trainer here, which is where you can spend most of your time on this page learning how to master jacks are better. So we still have the same settings here: jacks are better, standard, full pay, and none for the extra coin feature. So here, this strategy trainer records your number of hands you've played, tells you the rate at which you're playing them, and also gives you feedback if you're making mistakes or not. And that happens with every hand you make. So we're just going to reset the stats, and we're just going to draw the cards, reset, next hand, and we're going to start playing. So here we're holding 2 kings, we draw, correct play. Next hand, we've got ace high, draw, that was the correct play. Next hand we have, here there's no play to make, but some people, they might want to hold 3 to the flush, and we're going to see why that was an incorrect play. And this is the average payout you're going to get. So for every dollar you bet on this hand, your average return is going to be 35 cents. So it's not the smart play, and not by much, but it's better off to actually just not hold any of the cards. So that's an incorrect play. We have low pair, we're going to draw, and there you have it.